What's up, guys? We are making some dinner, testing out this new GoPro that I got. Well, I'm not making dinner, she's making dinner. Got some pork ribs. All right, so we got final results here. Barbecue ribs, mashed potatoes, cornbread, potato salad. And the beautiful chef. Delicious meal. So I finally did it. I got the GoPro Hero 10. It's got the medium mod, which means that it has an external microphone. It's got the light on top of it. And I'm just really excited to get back into making videos with my family, and this is also actually a really good tool for BTS content. A few cool things about this GoPro is that when you turn it on, you are able to see yourself, and when you turn on this light mod up at the top, you'll be able to see yourself better in the dark. And you also have this microphone that's right here, and if you really don't like the audio quality on this microphone, you can always switch it up with an external mic, because now this media mod has the option to put in an external mic, which will make your audio whatever. You can step up your audio to whatever level you want. All right, so just let me show you guys real quick. So now I have the Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone attached to myself, and the receiver is attached to the GoPro. And as you guys can see, the audio quality probably just improved a tad bit better, and that is mainly because this is actually a professional level microphone. The GoPro microphone is, you know, on the amateur side. I wouldn't say amateur, I would just say it is meant for some extreme sports, and you know, there's got to be some considerable weathering that needs to go through there. So I don't blame them for not having the best audio quality, but at least there's that option, and at least I have this microphone, and it is just, I'm excited. I got some trips coming up, and I definitely plan on using them, and I can't wait to show you guys how fun making videos could be. All right, so this is all for now. I just wanted to get this out there, and I hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys at some point. So yeah, peace.